Koho Review 2024. Everything you need to know about Koho. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to review all the things that you should know about Koho. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Koho is a Canadian fintech company that offers a prepaid Visa card and an integrated app designed to help users manage their finances more effectively. Since its launch in 2017, Koho has gained popularity for its user-friendly approach to banking. Coming towards the features of Koho. Koho offers accounts with no monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, or minimum balance requirements, and does not charge for ATM withdrawals, although using out of network accounts may incur fees from the ATM provider. Users earn instant cash back on everyday purchases, adding value to daily spending. Additional cash back opportunities and promotions are available through partnerships with specific retailers. The Koho app includes budgeting tools that help users track their spending and set financial goals. Koho offers automatic savings features, such as rounding up purchases to the nearest dollar and saving the difference. Users can set and track personalized savings goals within the app. With direct deposit, Koho users can receive their paychecks up to 3 days earlier than with traditional banks. The Koho app is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it simple for users to manage their finances on the go. Koho employs advanced encryption and security protocols to protect user data. Users can also lock and unlock their Koho card instantly through the app if it's lost or stolen. Turning to the drawbacks of Koho. Koho does not offer traditional banking products such as loans, mortgages, or investment accounts. Depositing cash into a Koho account can be cumbersome as it requires using third party services. While Koho itself does not charge ATM fees, using out of network items may incur fees from the ATM provider. As comparing Koho with other competitors' banks, Koho's fee-free structure is a significant advantage over traditional banks, which often charge various fees. Its budgeting tools, cashback rewards, and early payroll access provide added value that many traditional banks do not offer. Coming to the conclusion, Koho offers a compelling alternative to traditional banking with its fee-free accounts, innovative financial tools, and user-friendly app. While it may lack some conventional banking products, its focus on helping users manage their money effectively makes it a strong contender in the digital banking space. That's all for this video.